Hello students, good morning. I am Prem Gupta, your English teacher. Dear students, in the previous classes we were discussing the detailed summary of the chapter of the story, The Shepherd's Treasure. Dear students, I hope that you all have understood this story and you have read this story at your home. Dear students, as I have told you to complete the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. So today we will discuss the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. So everyone open the notebook of supplementary reader, that is A Pact with the Sun. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. Okay, today we will discuss the word meaning and question answer of this chapter. Okay students, just open the notebook and start writing. First of all, you will write the chapter 3 and the name of the chapters, The Shepherd's Treasure. Then after you will put the heading word meaning. Okay, just see here, just write down the word meaning. There are two columns, word and meaning. Okay, make two columns like this, and in the first column you write down the word and in another column you write down the meaning. Okay students, just see here, first word, just write down the first word, that is make out. MAKEOUT. Make out means understand. STAND. Understand. Just write down this word, make out. Make out means understand. Okay, next, second, write down depart. DEPART. Depart means go away. And what would be the opposite of depart? Arrival. Okay, depart means go away. Okay students, just write down third word meaning, terribly. TERRIBLY. Okay, terribly means extremely means भयानक रूप से, extremely. MELY. Okay, terribly means extremely. And the fourth word write down, iron chest. Dear students, in the previous classes while teaching the story, I have told you these words, the meaning of these words. Iron chest, CHEST. Okay, iron chest. Chest means here iron box. Okay students, just write down iron chest means iron box. Chest means it is a kind of box that is made of iron. Okay, number 5, just see, summoned. I have also told you this word, summoned. Summoned means called. CALLED. Summoned means called. Okay students, write down these words. 6th one, fastened. FASTENED. Fastened means tied. TIED. Fastened means tied. Okay students, just write down make out means understand, depart means go away, terribly means extremely, iron chest means iron box, summoned means called, and fastened means tied. And write down two more. I'm going to erase. these two words. Okay, I'm going to erase it up to this. Okay, just write down. Number 7. What is that? Securely. 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 Okay, securely. 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 Securely means firmly. FIRMLY. Securely means firmly. Okay, write down one more. Here, cloak. CLOAKS. Cloaks. Cloaks means royal dresses. Royal dress. You can say royal dress. Royal dress. Okay, students. So this is all about the word meaning. These 8 word meaning you will write in your notebook and learn it also. Okay, students. So just complete it right now. After that, we will discuss the question answer of this chapter. Okay, students. Securely means firmly. Cloak means royal dresses. Okay. After completing this word meaning, just open the book. Page number, questions are given at the page number 10. Just open the page number 10. Page number 10. Okay, just see. I hope that you all have written. So I am going to erase. Okay, students, just here the question first. First question is optional, but you will also write this question in your notebook. Okay, so write down the question number first. The shepherds hadn't been to school because, dear students, in the beginning of the story you have read that he did not go to school because there were no school at that time. There were very few school in those days. Okay, students, just here write down the question and 3 options you will write, and after that you will write the correct answer. Answer number first I am going to write. After writing the question, dear students, you will write the question from your book, which is given at the page number 10 of supplementary reader book. Okay, packed with the sun. Just here, first question is given. The shepherd hadn't been to school because there are 3 options. He was very poor, although it is correct, but that is not appropriate. There were very few schools in those days, and in those days there were very few schools. He wasn't interested in study. Dear student, the second option is the correct. So after writing the question, this is the answer number first, and which option is correct? Second option. So you will write the answer. What? There were very few schools. There were very few schools. There were very few schools in those days. In those days. There were very few schools in those days. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number first. Just write down this answer in your notebook. Okay? Dear students, you will write the question from your book. Okay? Then after you write the answer from the board. Okay, I have written the answer of first question, that is optional. So here option number 2 is the correct option. So you will write there were very few schools in those days. Okay, and after that write down the question number second. Just write down the question number second. Dear students, what is the question number second? Who visited the shepherd one day and why? Dear students, when the shepherd became very famous, his fame is spread throughout the country, and the king also heard about him. The king also heard about him, and after hearing the story of the shepherd, who went? The king went to meet that shepherd. And why? To see, to know the intellect power, to check the intellect power of that man, to check the wisdom of that man. Okay students, this is the correct answer. You will write it in systematic order. So first of all, you write this question from your book, which is given at the page number 10, and then after start writing the answer. Okay, the question is, who visited the shepherd one day and why? The king of Iran. Write down the answer. After writing the question, you will write the king of Iran. The king of Iran visited the shepherd. Visited the shepherd Okay student, just write down. The king of Iran visited the shepherd one day because he became very famous. He became very famous. Famous. He became very famous for his wisdom. For his wisdom. And friendly nature. And friendly nature. And ATURE. Okay. He became very famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king wanted to meet him. The king wanted to meet him. The king wanted to meet him. He wanted to judge the shepherd. Because he wanted to judge, he wanted to judge. JUDGE. He wanted to judge the shepherd. Okay students, just write down the answer. Just see the answer. The king of Iran visited the shepherds one day because he became very famous for his wisdom and friendly nature. The king wanted to meet him. He wanted to judge the shepherd. Okay students, so this is all about the answer of question number first. Just write down this answer. In your notebook, and after completing this answer, you will write the question number 3, which is given in your book. And question number 3 is, why did the other governors grow jealous of the shepherds? This is the question number 3. Yes students, while teaching the story I have told you, the other governors of other provinces, they grew jealous. Why? Because he was getting fame and name also. Therefore, they were feeling jealous. And what was the other question here? No, this is the question only. Question number 3. Why did the other governors grow jealous? Okay, first you complete this answer number 2nd. Then after we will do the question number 3rd. And after completing the answer of question number 2, we will write the answer number 3. Okay students, just see the answer. Answer number 3. Just here, the shepherds fame the shepherds apostrophe s fame, the shepherds fame and wise governance and wise governance GOVERNAN wise governance is spread throughout SPREAD spread throughout and wise governance is spread throughout the country which made the other governor grew jealous of him. Grew jealous of him. Okay, student, this is the answer number 3rd. Just write down. The shepherds' fame and wise governance spread throughout the country, which made the other governors grew jealous of him. Because the new governor, the shepherd, was getting fame and name. Therefore, the other governors were feeling jealous, grew jealous of him. Okay, student, this is the answer of question number 3rd. You write it in your notebook, and after completing this answer, write down the question number 4, which is given in your book. What is the question number 4? Why was the new governor called to the palace? Dear students, this is the question. Why was the new governor called to the palace? The answer of this question will be, dear students, we have read in the story that the other governors complained to the king that he steals some money from the taxes, and he also keeps with him an iron chest in which he keep the money. Okay, students, therefore the king also called the new governors in the palace to check the iron box. Okay, this is the answer. Write down. First of all, you write down the question number 4. Then after we will write the answer. Okay, students, just write down fast the question number 4. Question number 4. After writing the question number 4, you will write the answer. Why was the new governors called to the palace? Write down the jealous governors. The jealous governors made complaint PLAINT complaint COMPLAINT made complaint against the shepherd to the king. Against the shepherd to the king. The jealous governors made complaint against the shepherd to the king. They told the king that the new governor was GOVERNOR, governor was dishonest. New governor was dishonest and keep some money with himself. And keep some money with himself. SELF. Keep some money with himself in his iron box. In his iron box. The king called the new governors. The king called the new governor, GOVERNOR, the new governor to the palace, PALACE, to the palace, to check his iron box. To check his iron box. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number 4. Why was the new governors called to the palace? The jealous governors made complaints against the shepherd to the king. They told the king that the new governor was dishonest and keep some money with himself in his iron box. The king called the new governor to the palace to check his iron box. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number 4. Okay, just write it down in your notebook, and after completing this answer, come to the question number 5. Come to the question number 5. Okay, students, I am going to erase this answer. Answer number 3. Just see. And the next question is what? Just see here. Why was everyone delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back? Everyone was delighted to see the iron chest on the camel's back because they were thinking that today his dishonesty will be proved and the king will dismiss him from the post of governor. Okay, students, therefore the other governors and other people were feeling delighted. Okay, so just write down the answer of the question number 5. Answer number 5, you write down the question from the book. Okay, I am going to write the answer. Those who were present in the palace, those who were present in the palace those who were present in the palace thought that the iron box contained the iron, dear student, this is I. The iron box contained valuables. Valuables means very precious things. Valuables. 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 If their reports proved true, the king would dismiss the shepherd. The king would dismiss the shepherd dismiss the shepherd. Okay, students, I am going to erase it. 2 lines. The king would dismiss the shepherd so they were delighted. They were delighted. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number 5. Okay, just write down. Those who were present in the palace thought that the iron box contained valuables. If their reports proved true, the king would dismiss the shepherd, so they were delighted. Okay, students, this is the answer of question number 5. Okay, and dear students, in the I will send the answer of question number 6 and 7 in the WhatsApp group. Okay, you will write these answer from there. Okay, students, that's all for today. Thank you.